Okay, so welcome to this sketchbook session. So today I'm gonna be sketching Mr. Bean. I have a reference right besides me right here. So this is gonna be like a walkthrough a little bit. I'm just gonna comment on like the things I'm doing, I guess. I don't know. A lot of people like to see these kinds of videos, I guess. Should I do like more of these, like an uncut extended version? Comment down below if I should. But I have my reference ready and I'm ready to go. Red colored pencil. I'm actually gonna be using red colored pencil portrait. I actually have a certain style I do this, so I just thought I would just take you guys along with me in the process. So I have my 3 reds that I'm gonna be using in this artwork. So you have so right now I'm just gonna make the sketch a little bit lighter. I'm gonna like erase the harsh lines so that I can be able to lay down my colored pencils easily, you know. So right now I'm just taking all this pencil off the paper with just a simple rubber, I guess. And then after that we're gonna get the darkest colored pencil we have. So I'm just gonna like go in and just, yeah, the rest is history, I guess. So right now I'm just laying it down. As you can see, these are actually great. Like the way they even like the type of paper I'm using is just best for like colored pencils. It's best for colored pencils and watercolor. Like it's definitely a watercolor based paper. You can use oil paint if you want on this paper as well. It's amazing paper. It's 100 GSM actually 100 GSM pressed, I think. Yeah, something like that. So right now I'm just going. So you remember this style I talked to you about specifically? So this is it. So right now I'm covering the darkest parts of the artwork with the darkest color of red I have, and this is all gonna make sense. But right now I'm just doing that, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna like group the highlights in one place. Obviously I'm not gonna shade over the highlights. I'm just gonna leave the highlights alone. And yeah. So right now working under the eye there, and fast forward, it looks a little bit like this. So you can see on the bridge of the nose there how I left those highlights alone, and the lips as well, like the lower lip specifically. You can see how I just didn't shade on that part of the highlights because I leave the highlights alone. That's what this style is all about. It's about expression and whatnot. So right now I'm just being able to like group these things in one, and it's fun doing these. Honestly, I do these with different colors as well throughout the sketchbook. I have I do blue. I really love using blue. I really love making the blue colored pencil portraits. I also do like the green. I also do orange. I also do like purple, but blue is like definitely one of my favorites. Red is actually good as well, but blue is definitely my favorite. So as I group all these layers together, right now I'm just being able to like assess where all these things are gonna go. So as you can see, the forehead, the cheek right there, the lip, and the ear specifically, these are the parts of the reference that had highlights in them, and I'm just letting them go. So right now I have a 0.7 millimeter auto pencil. It's a 0.7, so it's actually thin. It's actually the best job for this. If I actually grabbed like a 5B pencil, none of that would work right now. So right now, as you can see, those lines are just thin and just beautiful. Look at that. As I go through all those lines and just being able to like create these outlines, it's actually the best thing ever. So right now, as you can see, I'm able to like so one of my favorite things about drawing like this is just being able to go in with this same pencil, and as you can see, I'm going in with the eyebrows, and just I'll go in the ear as well, in the eyes, and all those little tiny details, like, you know, under the nose, just being able to, under the neck as well, because those are the parts where those are the parts that are darkest the most. So as you can see, the sketch is actually like coming out really good, and yeah, it's actually the best thing ever. These are always like fun to create, you know. These are always great. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining me on this little session of mine. Should I make something longer? Tell me in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe as well while you're still at it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if I should make like a extended uncut version of this same video, or maybe should I make more of these? I don't know. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.